Hello friends, have a great day everyone. Today we're going to make a delicious spinach casserole together. Truly a delight, you absolutely have to try it. Let's start the preparation by putting a drizzle of oil and a thinly sliced onion in a pan and let it brown. Here we go. Once the onion is slightly golden, let's add the spinach that has already been cleaned and washed. Okay? Let's add a bit of salt, cover it, and let it cook down. The spinach has wilted. As you can see, they've released a lot of liquid. This will be removed later, so drained, because there shouldn't be any liquid in this preparation. Very good. And now let's turn off the heat and let them cool down. While the spinach is cooling, let's get ready. In a bowl, add the eggs and a bit of salt. A bit of pepper. Let's start whisking. Let's add the milk to the eggs. Pecorino cheese. Parmesan cheese. And at this point, we add the flour a little at a time and let it be absorbed. Once the flour is absorbed, we add the spinach, which I have already drained, as you can see, and then we pour them into the mixture. And along with the spinach, also add some cheese cubes to your liking. This is mild provolone, but you can use whatever cheese you like best. And we mix everything together. I've prepared a baking dish that's 27 by 17, 27 by 17, 1,617 square centimeters in size, okay? Now I spray a little oil on the base and also on the sides. And maybe we can use a little brush to help. Let's do it like this. Let's oil the whole surface. And at this point, let's pour our mixture inside. We arrange it well and smooth out the surface. Of course, if you don't have a baking dish, you can use any mold, round, rectangular, whatever you prefer. After that, let's finish the top with some grated cheese or some cow's milk cheese. Why not? Whatever you prefer. And at this point, all that's left is to put it in the oven. See you later. And here it is, the casserole just came out of the oven. I baked it at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then, as I always say, everyone knows their own oven. And now all that's left is to let it cool down a bit and then taste it. Friends, here is the spinach casserole. Truly a delight. And now I'm going to taste it. So good. And with this super tasty bite, I say goodbye and I'll see you next time. A kiss to everyone. Thank you.